Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tarpan Shah. I am Dr. Tarpan Shah and in today's video we are going to discuss 10 powerful tips that will help you solve the MCQs faster and more accurately in competitive exams. These tips are extremely useful for physiotherapy students, MPT entrance preparation, government exams, university exams, Viva preparation, MCQ based competitive exam. So watch this video till end because this simple strategies can improve your speed, accuracy and confidence during the exam. So let's begin. Number one, read the question carefully. One of the biggest mistakes students make is reading the questions too quickly. So always pay attention to the words like, not, except, most, first, best. Sometimes a single word can change the entire meaning of the question. Just for an example, which muscle is not involved in shoulder abduction? Now, if you miss the word not, you may answer incorrectly even if your concepts are strong. So the first and important rule, read carefully before answering. Number two, understand before memorizing. MCQs are designed to test the understanding and not just the memory. So if your concepts are clear, you can do one, you can solve the tricky questions. Number two, you can eliminate the wrong options. Third, you can answer the unfamiliar questions. And you can focus on understanding the subjects like anatomy, biomechanics, pathology, clinical reasoning, etc. Because the concept clarity will always beat the rote learning. Keep this in mind. Tip number three, eliminate the wrong options first. So instead of directly searching for the correct answer, first remove clearly the wrong options. So this technique reduces the confusion, it saves the time, it improves the probability of correct answer. So even if you don't know the exact answer, narrowing it from four options to two greatly increases your chances to come to the correct answer. Tip number four, practice time management. Do not waste too much time on one difficult question. Remember, the rule is easy question, you can solve it immediately. Difficult question, okay, mark and revisit later. And one difficult question should not consume time meant for five easy questions. So here the sentence you need to remember is smart time management is always very important in competitive exam. Tip number five, solve the previous year's MCQs. Remember, previous year papers are gold mines for the exam preparation. So they help you to understand exam patterns, important topics, repeated concept, and difficulty levels. So what you need to do is you need to practice last 5 years university paper or the exam paper, standard MCQ books, and focus on mock test. So many concepts repeated or indirectly in the exam. So this is the tip we need to remember. Number six, avoid overthinking. Many students lose marks because they change the correct answer unnecessarily. Your first your first logical answer is often correct. So avoid the panic, self-doubt, overanalyzing the simple question, and change your answer only if you have a strong evidence that your first answer was wrong. So keep this in mind. Number seven, learn keywords and clinical clues. Many MCQs contain hidden clues within the question itself. So for example, butterfly rash. So think about lupus. Foot drop. Think about common peroneal nerve. Trendelenburg gait. Think about gluteus medius weakness. So train your brain to quickly identify these keywords. So this will improve your both speed and accuracy. Number eight, attempt mock test regularly. Mock tests are extremely important. They improve the speed, accuracy, confidence, and exam temperament. Try solving MCQs with a timer in a real exam-like environment. And after every mock test, okay, you analyze the mistakes, identify the weak subjects, and revise, okay, those particular areas. Tip number 9, stay calm during the exam. Stress reduces the concentration and decision making ability. So during exams, take deep breath, stay confident, avoid comparing with others, focus only on your paper, and remember, a calm mind perform much better than an anxious mind. Okay, number 10. Revise smartly before the exam. Okay, last minute revision should focus only on high yield contents like your important formulas, tables, classification, FAQs, frequently asked questions, or the frequently asked MCQs. Avoid starting completely new topics one day before the exam. Very, very important. And the main take home message is smart revision will increases the retention and the confidence. So friends, these were the 10 powerful tips to solve the MCQs faster and more effectively. So if you found this video useful, like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more physiotherapy education content, MCQs, Viva guidance, and exam preparation tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.